everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation. Playing Frisbee with family or friends is a classic summer activity, but if you have a plain old Frisbee, it might feel a little bit unexciting. But with Siser EasyPSV adhesive decal vinyl, you can turn nearly any plain Frisbee into one that's personalized for your big day out with family or friends. So in this video, I'll be showing you just how easy it is to apply EasyPSV adhesive decal vinyl onto a plastic Frisbee. So stay fresh as we customize this. Now, if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. All right, well, let's get started. The Frisbee is a summertime classic and also happens to offer the perfect opportunity for customization. Since most of them are blank and made of plastic, their flat side will be the perfect location for our graphics cut with adhesive vinyl. And if you're looking for a material that's layerable, robust enough for outdoor use, and has a wide range of colors, Siser's EasyPSV is the perfect choice. As the name implies, EasyPSV has been designed to make cutting and applying adhesive vinyl super simple. So decorating solid items with a smooth surface is a quick and fun process. We should note that this material is available in both permanent and removable forms. To permanently customize our Frisbee, we'll be applying multiple layers of EasyPSV permanent onto it. With your EasyPSV layers cut and weeded out, you can now lift each one off their backing using EasyPSV application tape. Trim a sheet or a roll of tape matching the size of your layers. Then peel each of their carrier sheets off to carefully place it onto their respective layer. It's a good practice to refer to the tape's guidelines to keep your layers aligned as you tape it. With everything attached, squeegee each layer a few times, then flip the tape over to peel them off their backing by one of the corners. Your layers are now ready to be applied on a Frisbee. Starting with the back layer, all you need to do is center and place each layer one by one onto the item. Squeegee each layer once applied, then smoothly peel the tape off by a corner. Your Frisbee has now been customized with your multi-layer graphic thanks to Siser's EasyPSV adhesive vinyl. To learn more about Siser EasyPSV and their other materials, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, be sure to get in touch with the My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and have fun out there.